All right, good afternoon, second grade. I am going to be going over what you are working on today. And today is just kind of a fun random day while I'm gone, just some different activities. And just so you know, next week when I am back, we will be having just like a little mini quiz over all those computer parts that we've been working on. So just so you're aware, not a big deal, but that's what we'll be doing next week during Lit Lab. Today, however, we are going to go to the Symbaloo. So remember, you will come here in your little folder here will say elementary bookmarks, and then it looks like something has happened to mine, but then you'll go down here and you should see Lit Lab towards the bottom, so you want to click on the Lit Lab tab. And when you do that, this is going to be the page that it takes us to. And remember, you're probably going to have to press the green button on the pop-up. And then you're looking up here in the top for the man that says second bonus. So this takes us to our site that we have worked on a lot before, especially in first grade. For these particular activities, you should not need to do the login. So if you have it down here, not a big deal. Scroll back up to the top. So the first activity you're doing, we're just working on kind of starting to find our letters on our keyboard. And so I am just working on my typing. So I would type in the word. Once I get it done, I'm going to say check. It'll take just a second, and then it will take me to the next word. Once again, check. So I'm going to do all 25 of my words, just getting some practice locating the keys. Once I have that done, I am going to scroll down here, and you see a word search. So you see I'm looking for these words here, and so I have to click on the first letter and then drag down. And when I let go, if it's a word, it's going to highlight it. If it's not the actual word, then it's going to disappear just like that. So those are the two things that you will be working on today. If you're not sure, please make sure you ask the sub for help, just like you do with me. But you'll head first to that elementary bookmarks and go find Lit Lab. And then you are looking for the little man that says second bonus. So hope everything goes well and you enjoy those two activities.